Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up DataGrip. First, navigate to the JetBrains website and download the DataGrip installer for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, launch DataGrip. You will be greeted with an initial setup wizard where you can select your user interface theme and other basic preferences to personalize your workspace. This quick start will get you ready to connect to your databases efficiently. Now that DataGrip is installed, let's connect to a database. In the DataGrip interface, locate the database tool window, usually on the left. Click the plus icon to add a new data source. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your specific database type, such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, or SQL Server. After selecting, a new dialog will prompt you to enter your connection details, including the host, port number, database name, and your user credentials. Test the connection to ensure everything is configured correctly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation. Just like you want reliable tools for your database work, you need reliable socks for your feet. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. Seriously, they're fantastic. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your database connected, you can now explore DataGrip's powerful features. The Database Explorer pane allows you to browse schemas, tables, and views with ease. You can open a new query console to write and execute SQL queries, benefiting from intelligent code completion and syntax highlighting. DataGrip also provides robust tools for editing data directly within tables, importing data from various formats, and exporting your results. This comprehensive environment streamlines all your database management tasks efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.